Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set A4 paper size in Excel. So very easily you can set this. So firstly you need to click on paper layout. So click on page layout and click on size and more paper size. Now here you see this paper size, so click on this drop down and here you need to select A4 and click on OK to set this A4 paper size in Excel. Very easily you can set it. Click on page layout size and more paper size and here set A4 and click on OK. That's it. So thanks for watching this video.